Introducing the 2024 Mazda CX-30, presented by Berge Mazda. Crafted with precision and designed with passion, this crossover SUV sets new standards for performance, style, and innovation. Step inside and experience a world of comfort and sophistication. The spacious cabin is meticulously crafted with premium materials, offering a tranquil sanctuary for both driver and passengers. Stay connected and entertained on every journey with seamless smartphone integration and an intuitive infotainment system. With the latest in-car connectivity options, your digital life seamlessly integrates with your driving experience. Experience exhilarating performance and agile handling thanks to Mazda's SkyActiv technology. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling winding roads, the Mazda CX-30 delivers a dynamic driving experience like no other. Your safety is our top priority. The Mazda CX-30 is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, providing peace of mind on every journey. From intelligent driver assistance systems to cutting-edge collision avoidance technology, we've engineered every detail to keep you and your passengers safe. Discover a new level of driving pleasure with the 2024 Mazda CX-30. Elevate your journey and experience the ultimate in style, performance, and innovation. Visit bergemazda.com or give us a call at 480-498-5614.